up guys, welcome back to So Much More Gabrielle. I'm your girl Gabrielle Ntumba, and today I'm showing you how to make a delicious homemade lasagna recipe that you don't want to miss out. So please stay tuned, and if you are here for the first time, please do subscribe. This is the channel where I'm going to be teaching you some very delicious easy recipes. So without wasting much time, let's get into the ingredients. So after you put down your ingredients, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start with our minced. What I like to do is, because minced has a lot of fat, I like boiling it for just about 1 minute just to make sure I remove that first water of fat, and then after we're going to start with our frying. So let's start with this. Alright, so what I will do is I'm just gonna put this in the water. So what I will do is I'm just gonna put it in my sink and get rid of all this water. Alright, so after you pre-boiled your mince to remove the fat, we're going to start with our sauce. Firstly, we're going to put some oil in our pan. After you put in oil in your pan, you're going to start with frying our vegetables. So firstly, we're going to fry in our onions. Okay, so now that we're done making the sauce, we're going to make our minced. So we're just gonna reuse the same pan that we fried our sauce in, and we're gonna put a bit of oil inside. And after, we're going to put in a bit of onions and the remaining green pepper, yellow pepper, and red bell pepper. And lastly, I'm going to put in the minced. So I'm just gonna put it in. Alright guys, so this was easily done, and we're done cooking everything. Now it's time to build our lasagna. Alright, so I'm going to start building this lasagna. I do not like ricotta cheese, so if you like ricotta cheese, this is the part where you're also going to add it. But for me, I'm just going to use mozzarella, grated mozzarella cheese, and I'm using some leftover Gouda cheese that I had in my fridge, and I'm using also ham, smoked country ham. I actually buy them at Spar. You can get them at any Spar store. It's actually this smoked country ham. So after the smoked country ham, I'm using macaroni, this flat sheet macaroni, but you can also use lasagna sheets if you prefer. I'm just making an everyday meal, so I'm just gonna be doing it with macaroni sheets. And last but not least, I'm using this mince that we had just made. So please come close and let's build our lasagna. Alright, so now that you are done doing this, we're going to bake it at about 180 degrees for about 40 minutes. I'm actually going at my mom's house for dinner, so I will just bake it there. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to see something similar, click here. If you want to see something different, click here or click here. But if you want to subscribe to my channel to become a part of the So Much More Gabrielle family, it's simple. Hit the red subscribe button right here.